Good day, to Stephen Davis here. In this video, I want to show you how to take out the recoil spring of a Glock that is very tight. You will see if you take this, I took the Glock apart. Here's the top and the bottom parts and the magazine. If you want to take out the spring section here, to do it with one hand, it's a little bit tight. But I noticed if you put it in with both hands on the side, the thumbs, and you press it, it is much easier, and it comes out easier then. And the same applies if you want to insert it. If you want to insert it, then of course you know about this crescent where it must fit in, half circle crescent where it must slide in. But first align the front here and put it in that hole there. And then again, if you just use one thumb or finger, it's very difficult. But if you use both fingers, and it's much easier, and then you can just slide it and you'll see it fits. Thank you very much for watching this video. We love constructive comments and criticism. Please like and share this video.